Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is parental care. This parental care is important for the animal's behavior, and basically the definition of this parental care is a behavioral and evolutionary strategy adopted by some animals involving a parental investment being made to the evolutionary fitness of offspring is known as the parental care. The parental care is beneficial if it increases the parents, increasing the fitness such as by improving offspring survival quality or reproductive success. There are some important points we are going to discuss on the parental care, that is patterns. Who should provide the care? How much care should be provided to the animals? When should care be terminated? And who should receive the care? So we are going to see this in the insects. The parental cares, it is one of the terrestrial arthropods, and from Jeth and Smith they are explained in 1985 this female, male and the insects of the animals. See, in the example of this parental cares, we can see the parental care refers to any behaviors on the part of either or both parents that help their offspring they survive. In many birds, parental care includes the building a nest and feeding the young. For example, the tilapia is one of the fish species. They practice a behavior called a oral brooding, and the mother carries the eggs in her mouth until they hatch out. So it is one of the very magical reproduction in the tilapia species. So this parental care is important for the animals because the main benefits of the parental care is offspring survival. Although care can also influence an offspring condition and future reproductive success, the simplest form of parental care is guarding or protection of eggs in egg laying or oviparous the species. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर पॅरेंटल केअरबद्दल जर बेसिकली समजून घ्यायचं असेल तर प्रत्येक पॅरेंट जे असतात म्हणजे मेल आणि फिमेल हे दोन्हीही त्या छोट्याशा हॅचआउट झालेल्या लहान पिल्लांना प्रोटेक्शनसाठी किंवा त्याचं गार्डिंग करण्यासाठी किंवा त्याच्यावर लक्ष देण्यासाठी, त्याची चांगल्या प्रकारे ग्रोथ होण्यासाठी, त्याच्यानंतर एग लेईंग करण्यासाठी ह्या ॲनिमलचा पॅरेंटल केअर म्हणून आपण उपयोग करत असतो. The distribution of parental cares in invertebrates, the tailless fishes is 21% of family shows the PC, that is parental care. 61% have male parental care. Amphibians 71% shows 50-50 the maternal paternal. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर फिशेसमध्ये जर बघितलं तर 21% फॅमिली जे असतात ते फिमेल सर्वाईव्ह करते, प्रोटेक्शन करते. 61 हे मेल. आणि ॲम्फिबियन्समध्ये 50-50%. बर्ड्समध्ये 100% हे युजली बाय पॅरेंटल असते, समटाईम वन सेक्स. अँड मॅमल्समध्ये 100% शोज दी पॅरेंटल केअर, युजली मॅटर्नल, समटाईम्स इन बाय parental. The alternative hypothesis for providing care: confidence of paternity, expect patent with highest certainty to be parental, order of gamete release, first to deposit gametes candidate association, the sex nearest to offspring where care is needed. The parental care in fishes and frogs, we can see this male care, female care, by parental care, no parental cares, अशा प्रकारचे स्पेसीज आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. ह्युमनमध्ये सुद्धा आपण जर बघितलं तर मोस्ट ह्युमन पॉप्युलेशन्स हॅव सम फॉर्म ऑफ पॅटर्नल केअर, and given how incapable human infants are of taking care of themselves for a large part of their early life of until adulthood, contribution from the male pattern towards direct care became increasingly important for offspring the success. There are two or one parents. Birds and mammals are more likely to exhibit biparental care because parents feed young and two are often better than one. The fishes and amphibians typically only guard eggs and don't feed young. One parent usually can do this as well as two. The exceptions include some cichlids that show the biparental care. The seahorse, the mallee fowl, stickleback, then Randall's jawfish. Why male only parental cares? Because female also have the parental cares. They are taking the protection and care and egg laying capacity of their females. See, this parental care can cost females more than males, and the parental females, no parental females, you can see the parental female is the highest score for the protection and providing the facility to the just hatch out animals. How much care to be provided? The parental care, the investment, any investment by the parent in an individual offspring that increases the offspring, the chance of surviving at the cost of the parent, ability to invest in other offspring. Travers 1972. The cost of parental care include the reduced future survival, reduced mating opportunities. The parental investment changes over time. Sometimes the male, female, they are collaborative and they are work together for their animals. See these parent offspring conflicts, how these male, females, they are conflicted with their each other in the family. Who should receive the care? Concord fallacy. Past investment should not determine future, and the future determined the best in future investment only prospects for future success. Expect parents to use honest indicators of offspring quality to allocate the care. Control broods were unaltered or had orange feathers, trimmed black. Experimental broods had half orange, half black cheeks. Cheek color likely indicates offspring health. So these sibling competitions of these parental cares, we can see how these birds they are giving the feeding to their just hatch out animal, that is the chicks, and there are three chicks we have observed in the chicks A, chicks B, chicks C, like that. म्हणजे पक्ष्यामध्ये तर खूप पॅरेंटल केअर चांगल्या प्रकारे असते आणि ते सांभाळण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. त्यांच्या चोंचीमध्ये त्यांचं फूड वगैरे देणे हा प्रकार त्यांच्यामध्ये चांगल्या प्रकारे असते. म्हणजे हे पॅरेंटल केअर्स चांगल्या प्रकारे असते. सिबलिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जर बघितलं, अर्ली पिरियड, मिडल पिरियड आणि लेट पिरियड अशा प्रकारे त्याचं ऑब्झर्वेशन करते. म्हणजे जस्ट हॅचआउट झालेल्या ॲनिमल्सला चांगल्या प्रकारे पॅरेंटल केअर करतात. पॅरेंट्स त्याच्याशी चांगले संबंधित असतात आणि काळजी घेत असतात. मिडल एजला आल्यानंतर थोडी त्याची ग्रोथ झाल्यानंतर थोडं त्यांचं जे हे असते पॅरेंट केअर करण्याची जी कॅपॅसिटी असते ती कमी होते. आणि लेट पिरियड म्हणजे काय, तर तो थोडासा मोठा झाला की तो लगेच स्वतंत्र फिरत असतो. इंडिव्हिज्युअली दे हॅव ए कॅपॅसिटी टू बिल्ड अप देअर एन्व्हायरमेंट्स अँड दे आर डू देअर वर्क इंडिव्हिज्युअली. सो दॅट इज द सिबलिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे त्या ॲनिमल्समध्ये पॅरेंटल केअर्स असते. अगदी डॉग बघितलं तर लहान पिल्लांना तो लगेच काही दिवसातच सोडतो. तो छोटे जे पिल्ले असतात ते बाहेर फिरत असतात. पक्ष्यामध्ये सुद्धा तशाच प्रकारे. म्हणजे ह्यालाच आपण पॅरेंटल केअर्स म्हणतो. पॅरेंटल केअर्स म्हणजे काय, जर ते ॲनिमल्स छोट्या पिल्ल्यांची काळजी ज्या प्रकारे घेतात त्याला आपण पॅरेंटल केअर असं म्हणत असतो.